click on the image. At the top, go and click on background remover. This removes the background of the photo. Then click on edit. And under tools, click on see all. You can either use magic edit or magic grab to just grab the head of this person. So I'm just going to go ahead and use magic grab for this example. I'm going to select brush. I'm going to turn on auto detect. That way, when I brush over the head, Canva can auto detect what it is that I'm trying to grab onto. So I'm just going to start brushing over the head. And when you do this, make sure you try not to release the mouse. Otherwise, Canva's just going to think that it's going to just select the area that you brushed over. So you just want to make sure you click on it and you brush over the entire area that you want to capture. And then once you're done, you release the mouse. So now Canva has auto-detected the area that I want to grab. So I can just click grab. And now the head shape is isolated and just resize it. And now I've created a bobblehead for this person. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.